everyone. This is Rishikesh, and I hope I am audible and you can listen me without any issue. Let's check on times and then we'll move to the next. And which ID I am using currently? Yeah, I think that is on. Yeah. So let's open up the YouTube and check the am I live or not. If I am live, then we start moving our discussions, and if I am not, then we'll try to figure out the issue and fix it, and then we continue the life. For now, maybe it's good. Why it's mm, taking too much time? Is my connection is well and good or something? Yeah, that is. Oh, sorry. Just wait a few seconds. There is a. This is 30%. Let's disconnect and let's connect from here. Yeah, it has been connected. Now let's check that am I live or not. Or if I am live, then we'll start moving on to the our discussion and what we're gonna do. We'll get that. I will tell am I live or not. Q&A is open. Let's set it up and maybe it works fine. I hope this has not any issue. I don't think why this is live or not. Q&A is open. Let's set it up and maybe it works fine. And let's connect from so and fix it, and then we continue the live. For now, maybe it's good. Why it's mm, taking too much time? Is my
Well,
connection
hello guys.
is well and good
This
or
is
something?
let's
Yeah, that.
pause this video, and now I'm going to tell you that what I'll going to do in this live streaming. This is of the 20 or 30-minute long live streaming in which I am going to give the answers according to me, and like this is the Q&A sessions, and I hope no one is watching. If someone watching, then left it. I I don't want them to waste any one of the time. I am just practicing here my communication skill, and that is the reason why I am here. And if you are watching this, then you may, if you have free time and you're gonna waste it on the Netflix or any your Hotstar or any other web service web providers which were where we consider for the entertainment, then we can choose this video to understand something what I'm going to do here. And you can also practice these things by yourself, and that's make you a lot of confidence. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to pick up, I'm going to randomly generate the questions from the ChatGPT or Gemini, and I'm going to answer all of the questions, and I am giving my point of view on that problems. So this is the simple funda. Uh, Maybe I don't know the things on that. I will give my opinion, my viewpoint, and that is the reason why I'm starting this. So I hope this works for you as well. If you are watching still here, then good. Then you may have you maybe you have done a lot of things in your day, and you have left some time to invest on to some time for the joy or for anything. But instead of join, you preferring that watching this live stream or watching this recorded video, that is good for you, and that means a lot that you want to grow in yourself. That is the first stage, and I'm clapping for that because you still watching this video even though I am told you do not watch. If you have only free time, then watch. This means you have free time. This and this significantly say that either it's divided into two parts. Either you have done your work in the whole day and you are watching the video. This because you have free time to invest on the entertainment videos. And the second part is you are you nothing done in the day and still you are wasting your time so that uh, instead of wasting on the entertainment you are watching this video means if you are fall in the second category then it's problem for you. If you are in the first category then it's good for you, you can watch. If you are in the second category then go and study something, do something for your work, um do something on your personal branding or anything, and then watch this if you have done your work of the day. So yeah, I have cleared the things. Whoever watching or not watching, let me give the 2 or 3 seconds. Oh, just wait. Mm, just let me some time. Okay. Yeah. So I'm opening my Gemini. So what I'm going to do here is that I am going to give a prompt in which I have written that prompt include that I am a third year student and give some questions uh, so that I can ask and that can be the general questions. Yeah, maybe I am telling the worst language, but yeah, let's see that. So what I am writing is I am third year BTech CSA student. Ask me 10 questions. They asked me 10 questions to me. I will check the live streaming as well. Is this live or not? If not, then we'll do something. So I am opening this in my phone because maybe it will stop anytime. Let me check. Am I correctly visual? Yeah, that is good. So I am here, and that is good. When it stops, then I will re re-initialize the live streaming, and then you can join that one for like that will be the second part. Okay. Yeah. Where the prompt is gone here? What is okay? There is something issue over here. I just wish how can I help you? Communicate third audio student ask me 10 questions. Okay. Um, let's see that what questions they will generate, even though my laptop is going to be down, but I am making something for that. So let's have a minute. Just wait for a minute and I'll fix. Maybe this will reach or not. I don't know. Yeah, this will reach. So yeah. Mhm. Oh, I am sorry. I have not on the switch. That is the reason why it not started the charging. But now it was. So round one, the technical code. So let's firstly read the what they are, what is the description. So third year, junior year. This is usually when the things are get real. You are moving past the general basic and dividend into core engineering concepts. Third is the technical. Explain like IM5 test. What is the single most important concept you have been learned in your major? So what is so what is the single most important concept you have been learned learned in your major so far? And can you explain it without using technical jargon? So yeah. So what is the most important thing that I have been learned so far? Yeah. And I have to explain in such a way that there is the minimum technical words used that can anyone understand, even though a boy is of 5 years. Mm. So I have been learned website development. And what is website development? Website development simply means that whenever we click on the Google, Google opens, and that is how the Google is built. That is the actually website development. We have to make the write the Google font, use the Google logo, and take the input in the whatever you are printing, like sorry, whatever you are writing, like Facebook, YouTube, and on that you can search and then page source, you will get the pages. So that is the different thing. That is the website, and like how is so I can't explain it in the better way. I don't know how to use good words to explain this. Maybe I fail in this, but let me check I am live or not. Yeah, I am live. That is good thing. So, so basically, this is not the good answer that I just told. I have to give answer in a better way. Like, you know. So answer would be I learned how to develop the website. You have seen videos on YouTube like Tom and Jerry and your favorite YouTuber, then where this all the things is showing on the website. That is that has two parts. First one is front end and second one is back end. Whatever you were seeing on the website, like buttons, photos, all the things that are the part of front end. Whenever we click on the button, then something new page opens. So that is all the functionality of the front end. And where is the database stored? How, where the video is, in which memory the video is stored, like how much memory is needed for the storing the video, and how the video is stored. That all the things are the back end. All the things are handled by the back end. So basically, I learned front end and back end. So basically, whatever you are seeing on the YouTube, on the any of the website, then that file is front end. Whatever video is running, where the video is stored, how the video is coming from the memory, that is the backend part. So I explained well in this label because this is the level 2 and right. So yeah. And if I really wanted to go in the deeper level, like level 3, then how would I explain this same problem in a better fashion? Even though a 5 year student can, 5 year boy or any person can understand the exact concept that I have been studying. So let's explain the website development in the more fundamental or more the easiest way that anyone can understand. So let's get. So website development is simple. Whatever you see like games, videos, or any WhatsApp, everything is made upon of the website. Maybe this word is wrong, but these all things can work on a website, and all things have have uh, whatever you looks on the website, that is the front end part, and behind the scenes you may seems like nothing is running in the behind. I am just playing my video. So you are playing the video, but the video is not on the screen for all the times now. Video is somewhere in the memory, somewhere in the others memory. Like you opens the YouTube and you runs a video, then that video is not stored in the like local memory or in your storage. So where the video is stored right now, this is stored in the cloud storage. What is the mean by the cloud storage, you may ask? So basically, cloud storage means someone's computer, some other's computer CPU that is running continuously 24 by 7, and you can store the data in their computer. You can use the resources for your work. And when you done using that, you can free them. That is the real meaning of the cloud. Maybe you will be understand. So where the video is stored, this I hope this concept is clear for all of you. And moving forward and saying that how the video is coming throughout the towers, or how exactly these things runs. So basically, this the data traveling has a lot of protocols. Like someone you may know data is from your mobile going to tower, from the tower going to different tower, from the different tower we are traverse from the different. If you have sea in middle of the two countries, then we connected these two sea via cables. So basically, data is flowing throughout through the cables. So that is the thing, and we have to like we have to see that how things works, how data is transferred between one device to other device. So basically, let's say you open the YouTube, you know, and you run a video. Where the video is stored, video is stored is somewhere else, some other country. So basically, what happens is that you requested that I need this video, and that request is going through the towers, and finally reaches that computer, and the computer finally uh, finally takes that video divide that video into small chunks, and all the chunks will be transferred throughout the uh, through the cables or through the towers, you can say. If the wireless, then we can send throughout the wires, but cables, but that is the communication. So basically, the full video is not directly sent. Okay, the video is sent through by in the chunks. The video is sent in the chunks. You may see that, and that small chunks will share. I hope you may understand if you want, but what is the reason is that, like, you can't share the whole video in from like, you may use share it or any Wi-Fi share or Bluetooth share. So what happen is that we share a movie or something game to others device. So what happen is that the whole video not gone at once to other device. Rather than this goes under the chunks. So you can do in your device and you can see that maybe what you have to do is that you just share the device, share the video, and it share the video and the initial stage, like when I hope this is live now. Like, let me refresh this. I am I live? I am. Oh yes, yeah, I am live. So what I am saying that the folder is created, the file is created in the other's phone for that movie, like whatever we are sharing the file, that file is created on the others, and then after the data is transmission, you may feel that if the 50% is transmission is done, can I watch the 50% movie from the other phones? So the answer is no. Why not? You may have this doubt. Why I can't watch? Because the 50% is gone and 50% is remaining. So basically, bit not transfer. So basically, the data transmission not is like we are transmitting 1 second video, then other second video. Then you may say that if 50% is transmitted, then that means that we have sent it the half of the video, but this is not free data is transmitted in the binary digits. So basically, data is transmitted in the binary digit. And when binary digits traverse from one device to other, then that binary digits combines more binary digits, and then make the whole video. We can't generate the entire video by some of the binary trees. We can't get some of the portion of the video. We have to give all of the video. And more in other hand, you may seen that if I downloaded a video from the YouTube like 20%, then I can watch the 20% of the content of the movie. So basically, this is the other algorithm. There are a lot of algorithm that is used. This is the other one. In this algorithm, what is happen that the some of the video, some of the video come and run, some minor videos come and run, and we what we did whenever we download this video from the YouTube, uh, then they uses other protocol. Yeah, they uses other protocol. In that protocol, we are getting like the video is divided into like chunks, like some parts. Like if we have 10 minutes video, then the video divides into like 20 parts. Then every part is a 30-second video. Then if one part is completed, then what happen is that if you downloaded one part, then you will get the 30 seconds of the video. Then until you get the second part, you can't see the entire second part until and unless you downloaded the two chunks. What is mean by the two chunks? So this is simply means that I have downloaded a frames that makes 30 seconds. That forms that generates the 30-second video. So I will get the content of 30 seconds, and let's say I get the bits that cannot generate one one part, then we can't get the 30 more next 30-second video. So for that we can't see the entire 30-second video. We can't see like we can say that if I get 50% of 30 seconds, then we can't see the 15 seconds of the video. We can't see 50 seconds. We need to get the whole 30-second video. But you may see that I have seen that the video is running in the 15-second as well. But I am giving an example. The data is divided into so many small parts. That is the reason why we are not seeing the whole video. But what we'll get is that the data is divided into the parts. The parts of the video is divided into very large number. That is the reason why we we see the things going on the synchronous way, but that is not a page. Yeah. Maybe it's yeah, that is live and see the things going on the synchronous way, but that is not a page. Yeah. Maybe it's forms that generates the 30-second video. So I will get the content of 30 seconds, and let's say I get the bits that cannot generate one one part, then we can't get the 30 more next 30-second video. So for that we can't